Hi, Hamish here from Mortgages Online, mortgage broker, and I'm here with Kishan Lal from Clarke Property Management Group, or Clarke Group Property Management, and we've got some and we've got some real life examples of basically some properties in South Auckland before a do-up, after a do-up, the cost, the rents before and after. So yeah, let's get stuck into them. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right, here we have a lovely house in...
This is at Manurewa.
Yeah, and...
Nice little 3-bedroom property, 1 bathroom.
yeah, and something like this would probably go for, I don't know, today's market maybe $550 to $650 or something.
Yeah, purchase price.
And this is after spending about $50K on a do-up, right?
Yeah, I mean it turned out really nice for this investor.
Nice, and that's the bathroom. And what kind of rent increase would you get for something like that?
Well, before the renovation, he was looking around the $560 mark. Now, after he did his full renovation, and I mean full, like everything, even painted, the roof, he's looking around $600 to $630.
Wow! So, effectively, what he's done there, it's probably been an increase of about $3,700 roughly a year in rent, and the interest cost on $50,000 would be about $2,250. Of course, there might be principal payment. Well, there will be principal payments if that's what you're into. But just for the purposes of this exercise, I'm just leaving them out at this stage. But yeah, quite a nice property. Looks totally different. Okay, let's go out to Mangere.
Yeah, let's go to Mangere. Nice little 4-beddy, 1 bathroom.
Mangere, I mean, properties. What do you reckon? Probably more like maybe
650.
$600 to $650.
Yeah,
as a do-up. And rent for this type of house, if you want your extractor fan to go directly into the wall,
your tenants have got to pay you $600.
that's $600 because it's a 4-beddy, right?
Yeah, it's a 4-bedroom.
And this is what it looks like now.
It's really nice, yeah. LED lights, nice neutral paint. There's a bathroom before and after.
Which is interesting. There's a new wall in there.
Yeah, it's one thing to note when you're doing your renovations. Try think in terms of the tenant, what they'd find attractive, and what the investor did here is exactly that. He added that wall, that split, essentially because it's a 4-bedroom house, and how many guys are going to live in a 4-bedroom? There's going to be at least 4, right?
Yep.
So if someone wants to use a shower and someone wants to use a toilet, they can use it at the same time, and that's why you added the wall.
And something like this. So the rent before you said was $600. After about $700 to $720.
Yeah.
Increase. So after spending $50,000, it's getting more, about $6,250 more a year in rent. Interest cost for $50,000 is still $2,250. That's at about 4.5%. So pretty good increase in a way.
Yeah, no.
And of course, that $50K spend has probably increased the value quite a bit, right? Because a 4-beddy in Mangere right now, that looks like that now. You probably would expect a little bit more.
Definitely compared to what it looked like before. One thing to note, too, I mean, when you're doing your renovations, try start at the letterbox to the front door. Street appeal matters because first impressions count. What this guy did, he got rid of that mustard yellow, he added some nice paint, and when your tenant comes to view the property, the first thing they're going to see is the letterbox and the front door.
Yeah, and of course that $50,000 that he spent hasn't disappeared because the value, instead of buying something like this at $650, $700, is probably easily worth, instead of $650, it's probably worth closer to $750, right? A 4-beddy in Mangere done up.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Now this is actually, where is this?
This is at Otara. 2 properties there. Yeah, Otara.
And this one here, after the do-up, that. How much would this have cost to do up?
So there's a 4-bedroom property and a 3-bedroom property on the same lot 4-bedroom with 1 bathroom, 3-bedroom with 1 bathroom. In total, it costs around 80 grand.
80 grand, right.
Yeah.
And this was quite interesting because both the rents have gone up, and it's gone up, so that 80 grand spend has increased the rent by around 11,900 a year, right? So nearly 12 grand increase.
Yes, it has.
So those numbers look pretty good because interest on $80,000 is around 3,600 a year. So really good yield now.
Yeah, no, I wish I could have bought this.
And the tree is gone.
Yeah, it's likewise, it's street appeal, right? I mean, and another thing to note here too. So when your tenant's going to come in, that's blocking a lot of light. And now with the tree removed, there's a lot more sunshine that actually enters the property. And from the inside too, humans were inquisitive by nature. When someone goes, like a tenant's going to view the place, they head to the windows first. They look around, and their eyes fall on your windowsill. So really trying to make sure that your windowsills don't look worn out is key, because a worn out windowsill to them may indicate that the property is a bit worn out, which means that you can't rent it for as high.
Cool, so that's some really good examples. Yeah, I mean, again, if you want to run any numbers, you can always get hold of me. There'll be a link around as well, mortgagesonline.co.nz. And I've got details for Kishan Lal as well, Clarke Group Property Management. You can always Google that, and I'll leave a link somewhere on the website as well for you.
Yeah, just to summarize here, I mean, when you try to renovate, every dollar you spend, try to get back around $3, $4, $5. Really renovate thinking in terms of an investor. Be the provider, not the consumer. Try to do cosmetic renovations, and always try to add value, maybe add a bedroom or a bathroom. And yeah, start the letterbox, just between the letterbox and the front door, see what you can do there. Then go inside the property. Don't fall in love with it. Remember, it's a business and it's there to make you money. And get a rental appraisal from a trusted property management company before and after, so you can see exactly how much value your work has done for you.
And if you're looking at a tired house and you're thinking, hey, what do the numbers look like before and after? They could contact you beforehand, right? Before they do a do-up.
Yeah, definitely.
Before they buy.
Yeah, exactly. And we specialize in managing residential properties Auckland-wide. So it doesn't matter where it is in Auckland, we can come help you out.
Cool. Well, look, thank you for watching. I know it's getting late now. You probably have some other things to do, although you might be watching this in the morning, so then it doesn't make sense. Like, I'm just waffling now.
Good morning, in that case.
But yeah, thank you for your time, and yeah, get in touch if you need any help with numbers.
Definitely. Thank you.